Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video, I will be unboxing Hatsune Miku. Costumes, China Dress version by Taito. And before I start unboxing, I just want to say that the seller did an extraordinary job packaging this. I did receive this all the way from Japan. Not only was I surprised, but excited when I got this. This base is clear, has her name on it. Very nice base. And this will be my second time. There is no requirement to assemble her hair with this figure. Her hair has two different colors, one being transparent, which gives it a nice touch. She has a little bit of blush, as well as the transparency near her bangs. The imprints on her arm, as well as the ones on her dress, are absolutely stunning. She has engraved music notes, as well as the stitching on the dress. Her fingernails are also painted. A little bit of imperfections. And a closer look at her shoes and pose. She does come with a adorable mini magnifying glass. It somewhat works. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.